Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's session we'll discuss about one more chat in our Power BI desktop tool, that is a pie chart. So first let us we need one data set. Already in our previous session we have downloaded the data set, that is a student performance. So where we are having the gender, the group, parental level of education, the lunch, and test preparation, math score, reading score, and writing score. And by using this data set, we'll draw a pie chart which gives a group wise lunch availed students, right? Group wise lunch availed students. Now let us start the Power BI tool. So I'll open it, and after that we have to import the data from CSV or Excel. So already the data set is of CSV format, so we have to load that, we have to import the data from CSV. So go to here, get data from text or CSV, and location. So this is our data set. So open it. So it will connect and it will load the complete data set. See, you can observe the complete data set is here, and if you are okay, then you can go load, and if you want to do any changes, you can use this transform data. So now I am just using the load data. So once it was done, you will be getting one more pen. So here you can observe one more pen called data, right? So here you will be finding all the columns of that particular data set. And so once it was done, see, you can observe the name students performance, and if the same Excel or CSV is having a multiple worksheets, so all those worksheets will be available here. Okay, now see, so this is the charts panel. So from here we need to insert the pie chart. So this is the pie chart. So click on pie chart. So the complete template will be displayed here, and after that you need to give the legend and the values. So now we just want to get the count of lunch availed students in a group wise. So expand the student performance. So give the race or ethnicity, so which is a groups, into the legend. And you can observe here, so complete groups will be appeared here with different colors: group A, group B, group C, group D, and group E. So now we need to use a lunch. So the lunch availed students, so you got a graph. Okay, you got a graph. So expand this one. So see, you can have this graph, and you can also format the graph. You can also format the graph. See, see, this is to add and remove the visual options. So if you uncheck this title, you can observe the title will not be included, and this is a legend. See, this is called a legend. So if you uncheck, the legend will also be not there. Detailed labels, see this one, so this one also be not there. And if you go to the more options, and here you can see the visual properties. So go to the size and style. You can change the size and style, that means the height and width of this particular chart. See, you can observe. So if you decrease, so it was slightly decreasing, or simply we can give 400 or 600, right? So like that we can change the height and the width. So here also I'll give some 750. Okay, so we can change the size. Okay, we can change the size, right? And one more thing, it's a padding. So that means giving some sort of spaces among left side, right side, and see, you can observe the count of lunch, the title, this was completely moving, right? So that means some sort of padding can be done here. That means giving spaces among left side, right side, and top and bottom. You can observe this one. and the background. So you can also give the background color, so you can apply the background colors. Okay, by default it will be the white, and if you need any other color you can change that color. And visual border, so border also you can give. So by default the border is black, and you can give the visual border, you can apply. So it's by default it's in off state, so you can on it and you can apply. Shadow is also like the same, so you can apply the shadow by giving a different colors, right? So all this comes under the size and style of this particular chat. And then coming to the title, so title means this one, count of lunch by race or ethnicity is nothing but title, right? So here the heading and the font size you can change the, right, you can change the font size also, you can change. And bold, italic, the formatting, text formatting options can be applied for the title. And the text color, you can give the color of the text, and you can give the background color, right? You can also give the background color. So alignments, all these things you can done in the title. And coming to the next one, legend. So where the position of this particular portion, legend means this grouping. Okay, so by default it will be the center right, and there will be a lot of options. So bottom right, so you can observe bottom right, and bottom center, and top center. So like that you can change the options, you can change the options, right? And the next text, so you can increase the text. See, you can increase the text, so the text has been increased. And you can change the font style, and you can change the color, you can also change the color, right? So that is about the text. And the title, so you can change the title, okay, of this particular legend. Okay, not this particular title of the, not the title of the chat, because all these options comes under the legend, right? So legend title is this one, and if you don't want to give this one, just remove. So there is no title for the legend. Okay, so like this you can apply different options. And slices, so based upon this one, these colors you can change. Group C, so this is a complete group C, so you can change the group C with another color, right? So like that you can change a different colors, different colors. Each group, for each group you can change the different colors. So total there are I think 5 groups, so 5 colors. It displays a 5 drop down menus. You can change the different colors, right? And detailed labels, and see here position. Detailed labels means, the label means this one, okay, so representing the group. So here you can observe, so I'll select this one. So this is the group C, okay, group C. And the count, the total count who avails the lunch is 319. And here the percentage means overall among all the students, group C members are 31.9% availing the lunch. Okay, so the percentage among all the students, right? So it will display this one. So here the position of these labels can also be changed. Now it is outside, so now if you go with the inside, it will move towards this one. And if you go preferred outside, so it will be like this. Preferred inside, it will be like this, right? And also the label content, here it shows the count and the percentage. See the data value and the percentage. And if you go with the all detail label, so complete the group name, count and percentage, everything will be displayed here. Okay, so all detail label. So if you go with the category, only category will be displayed, no percentage. And if you just move your mouse over that particular group, so it will display the count of lunch, unless it doesn't display it. So like this, only data value, only percentage of total, right? So there's a combination, category and the data value, category and the percentage of total, data value of percentage of total, and all detail, all label detail, right? So like this we can change the labels. And then see rotation, so you can rotate this particular chat. Okay, see, you can rotate it into different degrees. See, so like this you can rotate according to your perception, according to your requirement. You can rotate the complete pie chart. So if you want to start with the group A, then just start with the group A. Okay, group A, group C, group D, group B, and group E. So like this, based upon the user requirements, you can rotate the pie chart, right? So hope you understood this one. See, header icons, the properties, the background colors. See, these options, all these properties comes under these options. Header options. Okay, border color. See, out border color and icon color. If there are any icons, the icons colors you can observe here. The icons. See, visual and focus mode, more options. Everything will be in yellow color. Or if you go with the white, so white color will be there. So these properties comes under the icons. I mean, the outer part. Okay, and the tooltips. Tooltip means this one, right? So by default, the tooltip is like this, and the text. And here also the text by default the color is of black. You can observe here, right? Label color is changed to orange. If you go with some purple, see, purple. And value color, if you want to change the value color, you can change the value color. So you can see the value color is blue, right? So like this you can apply the text. And the background also, you can change the background of this particular, see, the background of tooltip. Okay, so the information which you get whenever the mouse moves towards the group is called the tooltip. Okay, so all the options will be formatted here itself, right? So where you will get a format option directly, if you double click on the chat, you will get a format option, or else simply go to the more options. Here you will be getting format, and you will get this format option, right? So hope you understood this pie chart. So if you are having any doubts regarding this one, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I will try to clarify all your doubts. If you really enjoyed my session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.